Our integral trench drain system is a three-part component system developed to fit seamlessly together, consisting of a stainless steel grate, a cast aluminum trench body, and a pre-leveled base assembled in a controlled environment. The grate lifts with ease from the trench body. The drain itself is an industry standard 2-inch no-caulk brass drain that is field installed by the contractor. The trench design incorporates 21 smooth top wire bridges and 20 individual water troughs, assuring water retention. The shower water must cross the 21 ledges and 20 gaps to escape the shower. ADA allows for 1/4-inch gaps in walking surfaces. We decrease that gap by half, ensuring grip, texture, and comfort for the bather when standing on the grate. The 5 30-second support rods on the bottom run perpendicular to the wires, ensuring support. These support rods are electrostatically fused for precision and strength. The grate is designed to lift easily from the trench body. We have a tamper-proof option for behavioral health centers or correctional facilities. Notice the bosses on the interior of the grate. In the event your specification calls for tamper-proof installation, the bosses will be tapped and a tamper-proof screw will secure the grate in this location. Here we see the trench body and base together. The trench body is as unique as the grate. This is the workhorse of the water drainage system. Our trench is made of cast aluminum. Aluminum is unique in that it has no adverse metallic or chemical reactions with stainless steel or concrete. The shower base and trench components are combined with aircraft-grade epoxy. Our beta testing was unable to produce a joint failure. The front profile of this trench body represents the profile of every model in the offering. 3/4-inch industry-leading overall height allows for on-slab installation. No depression is needed for either the transfer or roll-in shower models. The nailing flange is 1/8 of an inch and is part of the 3/4-inch measurement, not in addition to. This threshold nailing flange is unique to the industry. Many similar products fail because the thinner front profile creates warping problems. This innovative nailing flange ensures the base is secure to the slab and threshold remains straight for code. The drain sump requires a 10-inch by 1/2-inch diameter depression. With the sump 6 inches wide, the depression will allow the trench to install flush to the slab. The base is pre-sloped with 2% grade to the trench. Where the base turns up at the sidewall is a 90-degree angle, ensuring code compliance at every measure point. The one-directional draft eliminates complicated slopes and angles for chair-bound patients to contend with, while the non-slip sure grip floors help inhibit slips and falls.